Let's try a different angle here. I try not to put my knee pad out too far because I don't want to put my hand down in it. Here I'm going to go out at least as far as where these nail holes were. This had a tack strip up against it, and then carpet. It used to have vinyl tile here from years ago. Then they took up the vinyl tile in the kitchen, and they put laminate, free-floating floor, and then they put a couple rows of tack strip here, put carpet pad down and carpet, and that looked pretty nice. Now we're going back down to carpet. Or we're going back down to concrete. Sorry about that. You know, hey, when you start making videos, I hope you do, because they're really fun and you can share your talents with other people and help them with whatever it is. But sometimes you'll find that you're talking away and all of a sudden you don't even know it. You're saying something that you didn't mean to say. And sometimes when I edit, I'll play it back and I'll say, why did I say that? Oh shoot. So it's good too to play if you're gonna make videos, to edit them and listen to them, see how you sound and see how you're explaining things, and you learn. You just learn more if you start listening when you get done on how you can do it better or whatever. Okay, it looks like I'm going to need a little bit more of my sealer. I always like to give it a good little shake first, and I'm pretty sure this was the one. Oh no. Can't remember which one I opened first. Uh-oh. Both about the same. I think this is the one. This one I have not gotten into yet. I guess there's a tip for you. Make sure you don't get those mixed up, especially right after the first go, because I've hardly poured any in here. I'm pretty sure it's this one, because I'm hoping not to go any more than a gallon total. And then I'll take the other gallon container back. Okay, so that'll give me enough to finish up this last wall. Now there's a tip for you too. You might have already watched some of the stuff that I've done, and you think, oh, I've already seen something like that, I don't need to see anything else. Well, maybe just one thing I say on the next video that you watch, you know, start making an effort of anything that you watch. Doesn't necessarily have to be my videos, it could be anybody's. To try to catch something and learn something, whatever it is. Maybe the video's 5 minutes long, and maybe you know most of what's being said, and then all of a sudden you catch one 15-second interval, and that is something that you needed to listen to help you with whatever project you're going to do coming up, or it gives you a thought or idea. It doesn't even have to be the same thing. Just listen for the concept and see how you can make it work for you, whatever you're doing. Okay? I always try to do that. You know, whatever it is, I'm always thinking of my next video, or how I could do something different. What else can I add to my channel? You could do the same type of thing. Okay? Even if you don't make videos, it might just be something that you can apply to your life, or to help others, or whatever. And that's all I got to say about that. Okay, there we go. There. Done with this 2.5 inch paintbrush, but I'm going to keep this around just in case I get a spill of the paint with the paint roller and that kind of stuff. I'm not going to rinse that brush out just yet because I might need it. All right, time for the roller. I've got to figure out where I'm going to start. I'm not going to start in this room because remember, you got to have an exit strategy. So I've got a closet in there, down the hallway first. I walk down in here and I'm going to do this closet. I'm going to do that closet first. I'm going to work out right here. And then before I do the hallway, I'm going to do this bedroom. Okay? I'm going to come right out this door, and then I'm going to start down this hallway, and I'm going to work back this way, right into this main room. Then I've got to figure out, do I want to go out through the front door, or do I want to go out through the side door if you have one? Figure out which way is the best way. If you want to go out that side door, I would start this room over here by the front door and work back towards this corner. Okay, but I'm going to go out the front door. So I'm going to start on this side when I get to this big room, and I'm going to go this direction, and then I'm going to go out the door, reach out there, and close the door and be done with it. Okay. Oh, which brings me up to one other point. You remember, since I'm going out this front door, what I want to do is I've got to have this door, it's going to be opened like that. So I have to make sure that I've got cut in enough, and I'm just out to about there. So I need to come out further. I'm going to come out a little bit more, and I might as well do that right here on the fly. I'll do it right now before I forget. Still got my brush here, because remember, I'm going to go out the front door. So as I'm coming out the front door, I'm going to be using my roller back this way, and I don't want anything to get messed up with the door. So if you haven't cut in enough, you can come out here further. Okay, that, and you can check your door. I can even put some more out here, like that. Make sure I've got plenty of room. Okay, there. That'll do her. Now I'm ready for the roller. Mark that one off our list.